Hi everyone, today is 17th of January, so I'm here today going to explain how to find business value for your created projects. It could be coded projects, automation projects, or any other projects you are building while you are in the academia, while you are in the industry, or while in your corporate company, so that you can have a better negotiation proposition for others, right? And so nobody can lowball you, or you can actually measure your actual worth. So from that perspective, we are here today. I'm going to show you, for example, for a beginning, I have this project that I did in a hackathon, and I won the Hack and Ready side quest. I was only paid for 1,000 euros for this, and yep, that's the first thing I got. But when I try to take this to enterprise production value, so how much will that cost? And from that perspective, I would say we are going to show you an AI powered way. It's a simple prompt, but yeah, soon enough we are launching a tool that you don't need to write the prompt yourself. So yep, you just have this and you post your code, right? And you just write build an economic industrial case study. Why are case studies important? Case studies are very important to see what you are doing and what is possible in the world and have a structured understanding. Because of the structured understanding, you can actually find out, hey, what is happening, what is not happening, and in a more compressed manner. So you can, if you just do, you can see it creates your project, it creates case study, an industrial case study, and it do economic impact analysis and a timeline. So I also used to use the commit history. Why commit histories? Because it also allows you to see and reflect on the time you are spending committing something, right? With now AI augmentation, AI coded tools, anybody can commit anytime, right? We are creating more features, more productivity, more coding done. But what is the actual productivity measurement are we having from that? And that can be measured easily through this. So when you do this, and you can also see the development timeline, the commit histories, and based on that, you can actually have a complete understanding. So it gives you a case study, and after doing this, another thing we always have to do, keep in mind or think is in which region are you aiming at? Yes, we can aim at global, but from now where you are standing right now, from that perspective, from that local region area, what is the business value out of? And that could be done by this, like a complete rigorous evaluation of my result to get the money value according to Bangladesh market. So I'm going to now measure how much is it in Bangladesh market, and it will actually give you the bill worth, labor value, and you can see also the compliances, certifications, regulations that are being employed there. Yeah, and this with this you can actually cut down some false positives, and you can also check the LLM token cost you are using, right? And with this you can also have a liability. So yep, and yep, this is all for today. I hope this helps you out in finding business value for your projects that you are doing and help you have upper position in the negotiation field. Thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe us at youtube.com at the red AI augmented. And also we are going to write a blog about this called medium.com slash at the rate md.abir1203. Thank you for listening, and please don't forget to share to everybody, because with your sharing and caring, we can actually bring out more opportunities for you in this AI driven world. Have a nice day.